Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off AI overview on Google. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select search engine. On right side select manage search engine and site settings. And now scroll down and select site search and select the add option. Check my video description for this shortcut. Just copy and paste it. And the URL, copy and paste it. Now name it as whatever you want. I'm gonna name it as my name. Select the add option. After adding this site search, click on the three dot icon next to it and select make default option. And now you can search whatever you want. Just newly you need to search. There is no more AI overview on Google Chrome, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.